guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into okay guys, so I'm gonna show you my updated wash day routine. If you guys want to know how I've gotten to this point, maybe or hopefully I should have the videos uploaded for you guys, but I've already done 2 of my different pre-poos, and now I'm gonna wash my pre-poos out of my hair and then follow up with my wash day routine. So just keep watching. Okay, so for one, I am doing, and I know I'm really close, y'all, but I'm gonna, and I don't feel like doing, so the products that I'm gonna be using are all mine. I'm gonna be using my DIY homemade conditioner bar. I think I might use my homemade soap. So my homemade shampoo bar, I think I might use that. And then my DIY black soap or black shampoo. I also have my DIY styling gel. My camera's shaking so bad because my husband's back in the house. You said what, boo? It's like a whole earthquake up in this mug. But I have my styling gel. And then I'm going to follow it up with my DIY oil. So I have 2 different DIY oils now. This is a perfume oil and this is my herbal oil. Hopefully this oil is on sale. I'm not sure if this oil is going to be on sale or if I'm even going to put it on sale. You guys leave comments down below if you guys want me to start selling my perfume oil for my hair, because this oil is more of an earthy smell. This oil has more of a sweet smell to it. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to sell this oil. But hopefully this oil is on sale. Ooh. I don't want my camera to get wet, so I'm trying to. I like to give my hair about a good 5 minutes or so to kind of soak up the water. Okay guys, so after my hair gets wet, I'm gonna go in with my, this is a black soap. Boom, look at that. Black shampoo. I know I keep calling it soap, but y'all, I feel like it's all the same. I did clarify my scalp pretty good with apple cider vinegar, but I am gonna go in with this black soap or black shampoo so that I can clean my scalp a little further. I know I don't need it, but I just really want to get my scalp thoroughly clean because this has a lot of great ingredients in it as well, and I'm just kind of doing like a double all the way around. So I am going to start out with getting my edges really good. I know that you have like a lot of gunk in your hair when you have braids, so I like to try to really get my edges good and the nape of my hair really good. And then I will focus on the middle of my scalp. But you guys, you see how well that lathers? And that is no chemical processed stuff at all. This is just really good ingredients. Nothing disgusting for the hair. I'm not going to really focus on the length of my hair because I feel like the soap and the apple cider vinegar pre-poo will get that good enough. So now I'm just rinse that out my hair. If you guys are wondering how I made that black soap, I have showed you guys 2 DIYs on my channel already on how I make my black shampoo or black soap, like I keep calling it, and it kind of looks like it's getting a little foggy in here. So I'm only going to wash my hair with 1 soap, but I am going to follow up with my own DIY conditioner bar, and I'm going to leave this in my hair for about probably like 5 minutes or so, just because I've already been in this bathroom for quite some time. Normally I will let it sit a little longer, but I'm going to let my hair sit with this conditioner bar. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of like letting it I'm running the bar underneath the water just for it to kind of get a little warm, and then I just rub the bar all over my hair, all over my edges, down the length of my hair. Okay guys, so it's actually been like 25 minutes that I've let my DIY conditioning bar sit on my hair with this plastic bag because my camera died, and I almost didn't come back in here. I was just like, yeah, friend just ain't gonna get no finished video. But I was like, you know what, let me chill out, let me sit in some hot water and relax my bones. Get some hot water for my charger, my camera to charge. So I am back here 25 minutes later. My hair is extremely soft. I'm gonna rinse this out, and then I'm gonna follow up with just making sure that at the end I'm gonna rinse this conditioner out of my hair, and I'm gonna follow it up with my DIY oil. Okay guys, so you just seen me rinse out my hair for my routine. You guys, I put oil on my hair first when I style my hair with my DIY my DIY gel. And the reason why I put oil on my hair first, normally if I don't go in with a cream, I want to put oil on my hair just to help my hair not get so hard and crunchy. But you guys, I'm not gonna put that much gel on the ends of my hair. I just want to make sure that the ends of my hair is held in place. So I'll put like, I don't know, maybe 5 pumps of oil. I'll put about like 5 pumps of the gel in my hair, and this is the consistency of the gel. It's kind of like a clustered feel, but I am only gonna focus that on the ends of my hair, just so that the ends of my hair stay curly and they don't get frizzy looking. And that's what I've been liking to do to my hair. And I am gonna put a plastic bag on my head for about probably like 10 or 15 minutes until I get dressed, and then I'm gonna take the blow dryer. So I'm kind of doing a plopping, pre-plop, or whatever the freak is called, a ploppity plop plop. I'm gonna take some more to get this other side, but I'm going to plopping my hair just so that the gel can rest on my hair and I'm not dripping all over the place. And then I'm gonna take the blow dryer and dry the ends of my hair or the roots of my hair, because I don't want to go to bed with wet hair. So I'm just gonna put that down the length of my hair. My hair feels really good. It feels really hydrated and moisturized. Hopefully I can show you guys the end result of what my hair looks like after, but hopefully it doesn't get crimped up from me sleeping on it. But I'll try to give you guys the end result on what my hair looks like. But this is pretty much like an end result of what I do for my new wash day routine and the products that I use. So this, hopefully you guys can see that bow. That's what the ends of my hair look like right there for you, bop, bop, bop. But they look really moisturized and my hair feels super soft. I don't want to go up the length of my hair with the gel because it doesn't need to go up the length of my hair, because all I'm worried about is making sure that when my hair is either in a bun or a ponytail, that this part don't look really fluffy or frizzy, and it kind of holds the shape. Normally, if I'm trying to make sure that they're all tightly coiled, then I'll go down each one of them and make sure that they're smooth or they're smoothed out. But because it's already so late and I don't have that much time, and my hair, I've already kind of really deep conditioned it, and I don't have too many frizz or flyaways, and I also cut my hair. My hair is just looking really good with me just rubbing the gel down just the ends of my hair, and my scalp feels really moisturized. So once again, you guys, this is going to conclude my my new wash day routine. So if you guys enjoyed this full wash day video, please give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.